Hello friends, plaster of Paris or putty, which one is the best? This is the most debatable question in interior designing industry and architecture design industry. So in this video we will discuss about difference between POP and putty. So let's begin. POP wall putty. What it is made up of? POP is made up of gypsum. The process involves heating gypsum to very high temperature to form a calcium sulfate and grinding the material to a smooth white powder. Wall putty is made up of white cement, polymers and fillers. How it was named? POP is named so because it is derived in Paris and invented in Egypt. Wall putty is a generic term. Types. POP comes in types like gypsum, cement plaster and lime plaster. Types of wall putty are coarse putty and fine putty. Water resistance. POP is less water resistant and it can absorb water, whereas wall putty is water resistant and does not absorb water. Binding. POP has very low binding property, whereas wall putty is cement based and hence it has a good binding property. Density. Density of POP is 1.2 gram per m cube approximately, whereas density of putty is 1.7 plus minus 0.5 gram per m cube approximately, and also it depends on manufacturer. Application. POP can be applied on interior walls but not on exterior walls, whereas putty can be applied on interior as well as exterior walls. POP is very easy to apply, whereas wall putty is easy to apply but a bit difficult in comparison to POP, and it needs some amount of skill. POP can't be applied on moist surface, whereas wall putty can be applied on wall surface. Average setting time. The average setting time of POP is around 5 minutes. To prolong its setting, you have to add water. The average setting time of wall putty is around 2 hours. Usage. POP is used for wall finish, castings and making decorative features, whereas wall putty is used for smoothing the walls and ceilings by filling the cracks and pores. Finish. POP can give a leveled surface, whereas putty can never achieve a leveled surface like POP. Strength. POP has very low strength, whereas putty is a cement based product, hence it has a good tensile adhesion, compressive and flexural strength. Thickness. Thickness of POP is up to 1 inch, which can cover all kinds of undulations of the plastered wall. But in case of wall putty, maximum thickness cannot be more than 3 mm. Ideal thickness is 1.5 mm. Durability. POP is less durable in comparison to wall putty, but wall putty is more durable in comparison to POP. Fire resistance. POP is fire resistant because it contains gypsum, whereas putty is less fire resistant as compared to POP. So friends, I hope I have covered all the information about difference between POP and putty in this video.